Alright, the number one formula we use for real life situations when we're doing quadratics is having to do with Earth's gravity. Two commonly used quadratic formulas of falling objects near Earth's surface are the following. One is a function of distance and time. That's how far something has fallen due to Earth's gravity. And the other one's also a function of distance and time, but it gives us the height and how far it's fallen from that height. Alright, in this case, h sub 0 is the starting height, and this is it kind of approaching ground level. We should be able to write and solve an equation for each one of these, give the exact answer, and if it's irrational, a decimal point approximation to the nearest tenth. I might have to guess at some of these, but here we go. If you drop a water balloon, how long does it take to, well, fall 4 feet? So, a couple ways to do it, right? I could say, hey, I want it to fall 4 feet. I'm going to kind of give it a starting height of 4 feet and a height of 0. Or I can come over here and say, hey, how long does it take for it to travel 4 feet? How long is my output 4 feet? Now this is probably an easier one to use. I can say 4 equals 16t squared. Divide by 16. Divide by 16. That gives me t squared equals 1/4. Right? Take the square root, and we get t equals positive or negative generally, but 1/2, and this is in seconds. Not too bad, right? Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, 1/2 of a second. All right, we're going to keep going. Now on this one, we've got something different, right? We see that we start 50 feet above the ground, and how long does it take the water balloon to pass by a 24? So I'm going to use this formula right here. Look. My starting height's 50, and I want to see how long it takes to get to 24. So I'm going to put my 24 feet here equals, this one right here is 50 feet minus 16t squared. Alright, we subtract 50 minus 50, which gives me, what we got? We got negative 26 equals negative 16t squared. Divide by negative 16, divide by negative 16. And I've got t squared equals positive, what do we got? We got 13/8. Now if we take square root of that, we get t equals, and I'm going to try that over here. There I go. Oh, I got a little calculator. We got 13 divided by 8, and then the square root of that. It looks to be about 1.2. I could be off. I think it's about 1.2 seconds. Alright. How long would it take for the water balloon to hit the ground? Well, from 50 feet, I could use this formula again. How long does it take for it to travel 50 feet to the ground? 50 equals 16t squared. We divide by 16. That gives me t squared equals 25/4. If I reduce, this isn't too bad. Square root, I've got t equals 5/2, which should be about 2.5 seconds. Again, I am not putting the negative answers down because we can't travel back in time. And that's it. And we will talk to you soon. If I was you, I would commit these to memory, or at the very least this one. There's actually a couple other formulas, but that we'll be using that one quite a bit. And that'll work in all situations over here. I can show you how to use this to solve everything. Talk to you soon.